Hello. So, hi. Let's go. Okay. So I'm going to teach you about unit on unit 7, fact versus opinion, and also making inference. But let's start with fact versus opinion. Okay. So, this one will come out in your reading test. Reading test. Usually, they will give you around 5 questions which carry 1 mark for each question. So, it will be 5 mark. Okay, so facts and opinion. This one is a bit different from the question true or false. Okay. So let's see. The first one, facts are objective, based on discovery, certain and specific, can be proven, okay, using unbiased word, very direct, okay. Doesn't use the statement will not use any adjective or persuading phrase or persuading words, okay. Next one, let's see opinion, subjective. Subjective means opinionated, okay? It can be true, it can be false, okay? It can be agreed by you, but it can also be disagreeable, okay? So as you can see here, yeah, using biased word. Okay, so the words are biased. So you will see this kind of phrase, believe, probably, better, best, never, amazing, beautiful. When you see this kind of word or phrases, you can automatically know that the statement given is an opinion statement. So let's see the example given here. So when you read this one, you know that it is a fact because it is very direct and very specific, very certain. Rome was founded in 753 before century by its first king Romulus. So this one is facts. Very direct. Okay, let's see the opinionated phrase. So Romans were uncivilized because they like to eat exotic food. As you can see here, when you find words like this, you know that it is actually an opinion. It can be changed. Some people might think that the Romans were uncivilized, but I might think, yes, someone else might think that they are civilized. So this one could be, this one is very opinionated. So yeah, it's very different when you compare these two sentences. Very different, okay? So let's see some example that I have here. Okay, when you read this one, although Jude Law is a very famous actor, has a receding hairline, I still consider him dashing. So when you read this sentence, you know that it is an opinion. So how do you change it to facts? You can change it to fact by saying Jude Law is an actor. So that one is fact. Okay. Next one. Let's do G. Let's do G. Okay. So I think G is facts. Freedom of movement is a fundamental human right. So I think this one is fact because there's no adjective or phrases that tell you that it is opinion. Okay. So how do I change it to opinion? How do I change it? I can change it like this. Some people practice fundamental human right, but I didn't practice at home. I didn't practice fundamental human right at home. So that one will become opinion. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one, facts or opinion? Facts or opinion? Okay, I still prefer to drive because the feeder bus service from LRT station is not reliable. So this one is opinion. Why? Because I still prefer. So when you find this kind of phrase, you know that it is opinion. And then also this one is assumption. Only this person think that it is unreliable. How about other people? Other people might think that LRT is reliable. So you see, when it is an opinion, you can argue the statement. You can think. You can, yes, basically you can argue. So basically that one is, yeah, so that one is the first part of this video. Fact versus opinion. Make sure to differentiate these two correctly. Okay? Okay, continuing. You can see this PDF that I gave you. Okay. You need to read this one about Venice. What is it about? Yeah. You need to read this article about the backwaters of Kerala. Okay, so, I want to do the opinion question, facts and opinion. Yeah, this one. Okay, you see, I didn't read the article yet. I haven't read, but I can still do this kind of question. I can still identify whether it is a fact or opinion based on the phrases. Okay, let me see. Let's see together, okay? Let's try this together. Unlike holidaying in the hustle bustle, vacationing in the light of backwater will definitely leave you in the almost hypnotic state. So when I read this one, I know that it is opinion. Because some people might not like vacationing here. Okay, so when I see this particular statement, I can detect that it is actually an opinion. Okay, let's do B. This boat will customarily be made by tying wood without okay, okay, so this one is facts. Because the sentence are very direct. Okay, next one. Imagine having a lavish dinner aboard a houseboat, watching a. This one is opinion because even the first word you know, it's like persuading sentence. The statement is trying to persuade you to go to this place, so you know that it is opinion. Next one. Exceedingly, the backwater pride itself on being home to. Okay, so this one is facts, very direct. Last one. In a nutshell, personally, this response is a paradise. When you see this word, you automatically know that it is not a fact, it is opinion. So yeah, you see, I can do this kind of question by just identifying the phrase. Yeah, so that's some cool tips for you. Okay, thank you for listening.